This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to batch convert photos into a single PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're compiling images for a project, sharing cherished memories, or just want to streamline your digital organization, creating a single PDF from multiple photos can be incredibly useful. Adobe Acrobat simplifies this process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you have a seamless experience. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you have the latest version to access all the features we'll be using today. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Here, you'll notice a variety of tools and options on the right side of the interface. Look for the option that says Create PDF and click on it. This is your starting point for merging your photos into a single document. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of file you're working with. Click on the option that says Multiple Files. This is crucial because it allows you to select and combine several photos at once rather than converting them individually. This feature can save you a significant amount of time, especially if you have a large number of images to include. Now it's time to select your photos. A file dialog box will appear, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Locate the folder where your images are stored. You can select them all by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each photo. Or if they're all in sequence, click the first photo, hold down the Shift key, and then click the last photo to select everything in between. Once you've made your selections, click the Open button to proceed. With your photos selected, you're almost ready to create your PDF. Review your choices to ensure you've included all the images you want. If you notice any mistakes, don't worry. You can always go back and adjust your selections before moving forward. When you're satisfied, look for the Create button within Adobe Acrobat and click it. This action will initiate the conversion process, compiling all your selected photos into a single, cohesive PDF file. As Acrobat works its magic, take a moment to relax. The conversion process might take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the number and size of the images you're converting. Once the process is complete, your new PDF will open automatically, allowing you to review the final product. You can scroll through to ensure each photo looks just the way you want it. And there you have it. You've successfully converted multiple photos into a single PDF file using Adobe Acrobat. This method not only helps to keep your digital files organized, but also makes it easy to share your images with others in a convenient, universally accessible format. If you need to make any adjustments or if you wish to add more photos later, you can always repeat these steps. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it empowers you to handle your photo collections with ease. If you enjoyed this guide and want to learn more tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Happy converting!